Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan Fouché. Thank you so much for watching this ACX tutorial. It is ACX Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. So in this ACX tutorial video, what I'm going to do is show you how I upload my audition and how the actual submission process looks, what I do, and how all that goes in this tutorial. So here we go. So let's go ahead and I will show you the process for uploading this audition. So right here on the page, you'll see this purple button, Upload Audition. And here are the instructions. Okay, yeah, so you do have to do MP3 format. Let me go ahead and put in my message. It says that the message is optional to the author, but whenever it says optional, that means it's not optional. Do it. Do it. It's kind of like, you know, it's optional to write the college essay. No, it's not. Write the essay for college, okay? Your chances of getting in are much, much greater. If it says optional, it's not. So anyway, here is my template that I always typically use. Audible.com narrator. Let me put my name. Susan Fouché. Audible.com narrator with over 100 audiobook narrations, specializing in romance fiction. I'm going to take that out. Actually, here, let me copy this. We're going to paste it down here. So I'm going to take this out because this is not romance fiction. Full-time professional voice actor and the voice of West Coast University and dozens of major corporate clients. Full professional home studio, SusanFouchéVoice@gmail.com. My website, my phone number. Check out my audiobook narrations here. And then I have a little headphones emoji, which actually does show up. So copy that, paste it. Wait, where's my headphones emoji? I do not appreciate that. My headphones emoji did not show up. I do not appreciate the fact that it didn't show up. Okay, whatever. Let me browse for my file on the computer for the audition. And it is in D drive, audiobooks, auditions, wrestling. And here it is. Okay, so I will let you know how this goes, if I won this audition or if I didn't win this audition. And guys and gals, it is a numbers game. You're not going to win every single audition. You put your best foot forward, and I mean your best foot or voice, whatever, forward. You do your best on everything and treat it like you've already won it. And when you don't, you just move on to the next one. It's not a big deal. So I am going to click submit, audition, and I will let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give this a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And maybe leave a comment if you so choose to. I will see you later. Adios.